Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding the 48-digit Bitlocker recovery key. It's essential. Sign into the Microsoft account linked to the PC or retrieve the printed key. Once done, insert any USB recovery drive and reboot to the Bitlocker recovery screen. If Windows prompts for an error code, read it aloud and keep a note. This step ensures you have the correct credentials and media before moving forward. Make sure the device stays powered and connected to the internet if required. Next, enter the 48-digit key precisely. Typing errors lock you out longer, so copy and paste when available. If the key isn't available, check alternate accounts, Azure AD, Active Directory, or another admin user on the device. Once a key is accepted, use Windows recovery tools. Choose Repair Startup to fix boot issues, or Open Command Prompt to run Manage BDE commands for status and repair. These actions address underlying causes, so the system can unlock normally afterward. Finally, once you unlock the drive, suspend Bitlocker temporarily and boot into Windows to verify system integrity, then back up your files immediately. Re-enable Bitlocker with correct TPM and PIN settings, and save the new recovery key to your Microsoft account and a secure offline location. If you cannot unlock the drive or errors continue, stop and contact a trusted technician or create a full disk image to preserve data before attempting further repairs. One tip: always keep an external key copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.